Well, YouTube, good afternoon. Well, sad to report that the only grocery store on this side of town besides Kroger's caught on fire last night and it's being torn down. Do you actually live close by?
Yeah, I don't live that far from here.
Yeah, I don't live that far from here either. About 6-8 blocks away. Yeah, they're going to be here for a while. I'm kind of surprised they've only got one excavator. I thought they would have had probably at least two, but maybe they're not able to get more than that today. I don't know. I know I heard people say they thought they heard explosions, you know. I don't know if they're going to bring in the dump trucks today. They're going to have an army of dump trucks to come in today to remove all this. You're probably looking at every bit of 20 loads to get all this shit hauled out of here. And I don't even know how far they could get on this today. They might have to come back tomorrow. I don't know.
Fall Pumper said it will be down today.
What?
Fall Pumper said it will be down today.
They said it will be done today? Did you talk with the contractors?
No, I just talked to the Fall Pumper. They want it all down today.
Oh, if not, they're gonna have to come back tomorrow because they just can't let this go. I mean, but they need to have more than one excavator out here, but they may not have been able to have got another one. Because I think with these emergency demos, I think what has to happen, they have to pull an existing crew off their current job to do this. And you see, this ain't the only one they're going to be doing, because with the soap factory, there's at least another 1 or 2 excavators right over in that area. I pretty much figured it would be Jurgens handling this because they have the most heavy equipment, but they need another excavator here. But I don't know if they're going to be able to get another one here or not today. Yeah, you can see where it's still smoldering inside of there. You guys got another crew by the soap factory right now, or you work for the demolition contractor? What? Insurance company. Are they going to have this all gone today and tomorrow, or? Because they probably need another excavator. There'll probably be an army of trucks to get this shit out of here, because it's pretty bad. Yeah, they'll have an army of trucks coming through here either later today or tomorrow or Monday, because it's going to take a lot of trucks to get this all out of here and haul it to the field. And I think what they do is they haul it to Vance Road, and the reason being is because that's where their debris and hard fill is at. They don't bring this to just the regular landfill. They got the demolition landfill that they'll bring this all to. Yeah, they're gonna be here. They're gonna be here probably the rest of the day and probably tomorrow. They might end up having to work tomorrow. Yeah, I see all the mechanical stuff up there is smoldering. From where all the mechanical stuff is up on top of there. Yeah, they definitely need a second excavator, man, to get this out of here. They need to get a second. I mean, there's no way they're gonna have this all gone today if they don't have a second excavator in here to. Oh yeah, you can see the smoke is smoldering from right here. It's sad when you lose the only grocery store, you know, you got, you know, and then, you know as well as I do, there have been so many arsons on this side of town the last 5 or 6 years, it's unreal. I mean, between the heroin and the arsons, it's fucking killing, it's killing this side of town. It really is.
Yeah, it is. Over here, yeah, it is.
If it ain't one, it's the other, you know. Yeah, a lot of people do on this side of town, and it's sad, you know. It's unreal, man. They'll probably have to be here through tomorrow unless they get a second excavator. I don't know if they're able to get a second excavator to remove this today, because they're going to be here. Yeah. That's why I said they need to get a second excavator in here, but I don't know if they or another crew got it available, because with the soap factory fire, you know, they requested an emergency demo with that.
And it's huge.
Yeah, and that's a lot bigger than this. A lot bigger than this.
Figure out what happened there?
I don't know. They said a couple people on the news, they said they thought they heard explosions.
Well, the lady that closed up last night told my daughter-in-law she was leaving, that the front end of the store just blew out.
Was it Robin, the blonde lady that lives over there?
I don't know.
Was it a blonde lady?
Talking to my daughter-in-law, but she knows these bunch of people up through here, and she was here taking pictures earlier.
Yeah.
And she said she closed up the store, come out of the store to go home, open the store.
Yeah, because I know they said they thought they heard explosions.
That's what she told her. So I don't know. I'd like to see what the news says.
Or what the fire inspector.
If you can even figure it out.
Yeah.
You gotta bring that in here. You'll never find out what happened.
Yeah, but it's a safety hazard. It's got to go.
Right. Well, I mean, sometimes you'll never know what happened.
Yeah. Because you know all the surveillance stuff. Because you know all the surveillance stuff from the store is gone. I mean.
Oh yeah, it's wiped out.
Yeah.
Unless they had it internet.
Unless they had it stored from a remote location. Unless they have it on a remote location that they were able to save it on a remote. Yeah, they're going to be here for a while. There's no way they're going to get this all done today. They would need at least probably 3 excavators total. And they're going to have an army of dump trucks when they get this all out of here too. I mean, yeah, there's going to be an army of trucks when they. This is going to probably take till probably Wednesday of next week, maybe longer than that. Because you figure they got to get all the debris hauled out of here. Because, see, this stuff don't go to a regular landfill. It goes to the hard fill demolition debris. It don't...
Well, that, they got to make sure every bit of amber is thrown out.
Yeah.
You can't haul it off and cross the fire elsewhere.
Yep, that's true. You guys work for the demolition company? You guys work for the demolition company? Oh. Yeah, make sure any poor shit don't explode. He's getting that debris from the alley. You live close by as well? Yeah, not me either. Yeah, it's fucking bad. It really is. They need to have another excavator here, but they might have a couple more over by the soap factory, because that was even bigger than this shit was. And they ordered an emergency demo of that too, so they may not be able to have. They need to have at least 2 or 3 excavators here, but they may not be able to today. I don't know. It's now, when it happened, did they cut your power last night, or because I'm sure they probably cut some of the power off in the area probably when this happened last night. I'm sure of that. I mean, yeah, those bricks sound just like Legos as he's dropping them. See more done here. Have they started demolishing the soap factory yet, or is that they got a crew over there yet, or is that?
What are you asking?
Have they started demolition on the soap factory yet, or is that?
On it.
So it not yet. Not yet then.
Yeah. She's stabbed.
Are all the gas lines pretty well safe?
We don't have a problem with you recording. Just kind of stay back over
Okay,
there
that's
by
fine.
the lines.
Okay. Problem. Are all the gas lines pretty well safe? Are all the gas lines pretty well safe right now, or seem to be? Crew from Veteran walking by. Yeah, the fire department's here. Miller Pipeline, Veteran. Yeah, gotta get this done. They're not pouring water on it right now, but they probably will when they need to. Definitely not good.
No,
Hey, have you guys been over to the soap factory to see if they've started the demolition on that yet?
Yeah, that's actually where I just came from.
So they are demolishing that one too.
Yep.
At this current time.
Yeah, there's only they're probably about 2/3 of the way finished getting the main wall along the street torn down.
Yeah, then they're going to be there. How many excavators did they have on that one? About only one.
They said one who was going kind of working his way down the street, knocking off the top floor.
Yeah, to get the stuff that's in danger of the street. I don't know if it was Jurgens. Was it Jurgens over there? Because Jurgens is the one on site here.
I didn't see a name on it. I do not know.
They probably need more than one excavator for both of these sites, but they're probably stretched.
Yeah.
They're probably stretched thin on their resources. But that's going to take longer to tear down than what this will. This is small compared to that. This is only just one story. Yeah, I don't know if they're going to be working here tomorrow or not. I don't know. It probably depends on how much they can probably get done. I don't know if they'll get the whole thing demolished. And I know they won't get the whole soap factory. That'll take days.
That'll take days, if not weeks. I just wonder how they're going to get all this out of here. I think that's a lot of rumbling.
Well, they'll bring in the big dump trucks, and I know they haul it to the Vance Road landfill because they got to bring it to a hard fill. They don't bring this to a regular landfill. It goes to the hard. There's 2 hard fills on Vance Road. There's one in Germantown too. There's one in Huber Heights, and then there's one somewhere in Greene County. And I think they mainly use the Vance Road landfill. Are they going to be working here till tomorrow to get all this out of here?
Oh, I have no idea. However long it takes, whatever it takes.
Yeah, because I would think if it's still a big danger, at the end of the day, you guys will probably request them to work tomorrow too if they have to get the hazard.
They'll do whatever it takes
to get the hazard clear, because surely they're not going to get this all today.
I have no idea.
Well, they only got one excavator. You need at least 2 or 3 but they're probably stretched. And have you been over to the soap factory yet today? Yeah. Is it Jurgens doing that?
I have no idea who it is.
Because Jurgens is the one handling this one, but I've heard they typically got more heavy equipment than blade cutters, Roush, or Evans, or either O'Rourke, which I know those are 4 of the 5. Well, I've seen them demolish.
Yeah.
I've seen them demolish properties all over the city.
What's your name again? We met on Church Street.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. There have been times I've recorded a lot of these burned out buildings. I wish the shit would stop, but
yeah.
It's scary that it.
Cold
weather only discussed.
Recordings of anything new recently?
What?
You got any recordings of anything new recently?
Oh yeah, I got stuff recorded all the time. If you go to my page.
What's your page?
You just type in East Dayton and you'll see all my videos all over the place. You type in East Dayton on YouTube, I'm freaking everywhere on the search box. On this results.
I know, because you said you do like some small filmmaker stuff too, right?
Yeah, which is what I'm doing for this.
Okay.
Yeah, I just wish this crap would stop, but it just adds more and more to the list.
A tour of poor Dayton?
No, East Dayton.
That's why I put East Dayton YouTube. Welcome to Fabulous.
Yeah,
East
that's
Dayton.
me right there.
That's you, okay. Fabulous East Dayton. RVD.
Yeah, feel free to subscribe to my page. Hold on, is it? Hold on here. You got it. I don't know if you got it open on the YouTube app. No, you don't got it open on the YouTube app. If it opens on the YouTube app, surely you got the YouTube app. I would have to.
I have, but I just don't know. Here, let me.
Yeah, I'll help you out here.
Oh, here I don't hear. Hang on, I don't have it. I'll get it.
Yeah, the YouTube app.
Here, I'll pull it up on the YouTube app and then it's downloads stuff. When it downloads, I'll open it up.
I'm surprised you don't have it down already.
I know.
I'm my heart goes out to you guys because I know you guys have had a rough last 18 hours. And you don't know what in the world the night's going to bring either with all this craziness. I mean,
we'd love to know more.
Yeah, I wish I could tell you guys who done this shit. I really do. Or what's behind this, because it just...
So for you, especially after doing this video, we just started a new link on our website for Arson Tip Line. You can upload videos or pictures right to that
link,
and it goes straight to all of our emails.
Yeah.
So if you got something you think you got, a person that you've seen the same spot over and over again.
Or something, yeah.
Absolutely, yeah. Especially if you're out here.
Have you been working since this morning or last night?
Nick has. I've been working since this morning early. Nick's basically been here the whole time.
You get off when tomorrow morning?
Monday.
You're straight through?
Yep.
Probably just a a few hours sleep here and there to.
2 weekends ago, I really didn't sleep.
Yeah, it's gonna be a long. Yeah, they're probably gonna be here till next week getting this all out of here, because then they'll have to bring in an army of dump trucks just to get this all out of here and everything.
Yeah, debris and everything. Right now, they're just trying to get to it so we can see where the fire started.
As they said, I know people said they thought they heard there were explosions, but I don't know.
No, were you close?
You know, I live in the area, but I wasn't over here when it happened last night. I was at the casino. I wasn't around because I live not far from here. Because I live over by 5th Street, and I wasn't home when it happened.